Alright, today was the first day I didn't do my skincare on the plane. Woke up with a zit. I never get acne there. And look at all this stuff. Oh, it's so much stuff. Heading towards Ag now, and then the taxi's already here. I'm in Santiago. I am getting work done. I have an appointment at noon to get a manicure because this nail split in the middle and I think I just need to get something on it. I have a lot of working nails. It's a lot. Good morning. It's day 2 in Santiago, Chile. Feels like it's a day of really bad luck. Trying to be cool. This is my third outfit of the day. But so let's catch up real quick. Either way, I got up at 7:30 this morning. I went and had breakfast, but tried to have breakfast. I did a really bad job thinking long term. I just didn't do a good job for this first half of the trip, which is fine. There's so much more of this trip left to go. But the hotel, while incredibly beautiful and aesthetic, it's like in a vintage building in like the old European neighborhood. It's very loud. There's no soundproofing. I hear everything, which normally is fine, except I didn't realize there was a bar downstairs. And I know this is me because I haven't been able to eat today because everything was cheese and bread, so I couldn't eat anything, and the coffee was instant, and I managed to eat drink half a cup. And then I got locked out of my bank account, so I'm going to try and go get some pesos before I chat with the people, and I'm going to go get a coffee and maybe go to the supermarket. It just all depends. I know I have money on my card, I just don't know how it's all working, so I'm going to go out, get some sun. It's already 11 a.m. I have been trying to do things and nothing's worked out. I've been having problems with LATAM for my flight on Saturday. Just so much stuff not working out at all. But that's okay. So I have my map set up. What I've been doing off of the recommendation of one of my taxi drivers I had yesterday to stay safe is I have one headphone in and to keep my hands free. And I have GPS directions just going on while I'm here. So let's go. Okay, I have hands. I have corn tortillas. I'll put them together to make brunch. I do feel a little bit better after walking. I feel motivated to keep trying to figure stuff out because as much as I want to be out there and seeing stuff that's really beautiful, I literally can't just let myself go without housing or an airplane ticket or anything else. So, food. Back to work. Okay, as you can see, I'm dressed up a little bit nicer today.
I just went to the immigration office and the guy was like, "What do you want here?" And I was like, "They gave me the wrong stamp on my passport. Like, I'm here as a tourist, but I have a residency visa." And he like looked at my document. He's like, "You're fine. Like, you can just go home, do what you're doing. Like, it just takes time." He's like, "The service is swamped. You're not gonna get those official documents for a while yet, so you're good. Just go." So I'm gonna go find breakfast. Another day with nothing to eat at the hotel, and it's whatever. I don't expect them to have food for me. I just go in and hope that coffee might be better. But oh well. We're gonna go find a little grocery store. I'm gonna go get a venti coffee. It's embarrassing how much I've gone to Starbucks since I've been here. Once a day. But I'm just gonna go. I'm almost done prepping, and then I feel like I finally can explore once all of this is done. So I'm back here, tried taking some pictures on my GoPro. I'm so full. Starbucks has a keto sandwich and they took the cheese off of me, so I just ate like turkey, chicken, and eggs. And there's a little risk of cross-contamination, but I think it's gonna be okay. And it's like the first full meal I've had since I had sushi a couple days ago, so. But now is the time to get less stressed, put some shorts on, and head back up to my room and get some work done. Okay, day 3 in Santiago. Wow.
Despite it only being day 3 in Santiago, I have severely overestimated how hot it would be coming from winter, and I also packed for a much colder climate, so I'm ending up hand washing in the hotel my clothes, so I have more options to wear for the rest of my time in Santiago. And I'm also just really loving soap bars. So if you don't have soap bars, it should be in every traveler's bag just to always have soap on the go.
So this afternoon I took some time to just walk around Santiago and check out this small little shop called Ruta del Waffle. They have gluten-free, like certified gluten-free waffles with ice cream or savory. It was really beautiful. I didn't take my phone to take out pictures or anything because everyone has me scared about Santiago and getting robbed. And this is all my stuff, and if I'm totally honest, I just packed poorly. Like, I just brought so much stuff I didn't need but thought I did. I overestimated it, but that's fine.
Oh my gosh. Alright guys, I am in Santiago. I have 2 days left here. Kind of slept better than before, but I am headed to Starbucks because I have to get some work done, and the other cafes nearby aren't really like work and hang out. They're cafes in this area, and I don't feel like going too far out because, well, I have to go pick up my bags at 2 or 3 to go to the other hotel. I'm feeling very high stress, but let's go. So I just got to my hotel room. Big difference from the last one. I can't believe I didn't take any aesthetic pictures in the last one. You can tell that I'm just out of it. Look at the view. Different part. I was in Santiago Central before, and now I don't know where I am. I was outside my other hotel, and the driver's supposed to be there in 3 minutes, and then he wasn't there, and this girl walked up to me. She's like, "You look scared. Are you okay? Do you need anything? Do you need help? You have a lot of stuff." And I was like, "Yeah, I'm fine. My driver's just supposed to be here." She's like, "I'm gonna wait for you because this is a dangerous area." And I'm like, "Oh my god." And then I know the people at the hotel were like looking from the cameras up above. But I got to the hotel. Everything's good. I have a roommate. I don't know her, so I'm not gonna touch anything. I'm gonna repack my bags because my stuff just looks insane. I cannot for the life of me figure out how to carry these better, but let's try. Santiago Airport, and I'm ready to head on to my first flight to Puerto Montt, and then my second flight to Punta Arenas, where I'll then wait for 2 hours before I'll take a taxi into town just because of the hostel situation.
I heard that the Punta Arenas airport is open 24 hours, so it'll just be me and my bags. Like, we'll hang out, no biggie. I always have an extra battery charger. Um, yeah, we're here. It is not even 4 o'clock in the morning. My flight's 5:30. The taxi from my hotel, which was in the neighborhood of Los Condes, was 30,000 pesos. And I had to pay an extra 5,000 pesos because I told them the wrong hotel. I'm feeling like a very, not inexperienced traveler, but I feel like I'm out of my element, which is very weird for me. And it's not the Spanish, it's the flying. I think it's because like I'm just this 2 backpack style of flying is not. I don't like it. Also, like I just don't like a lot of my clothes, which is gonna be a huge issue for me at one point. I am taking Sky Airlines because I had some issues with LATAM. We'll get into that in a different time. And I already went to Starbucks, got my last Starbucks for my time here. And they were playing Simple Plan, and I knew all the words and I was totally rocking out. So, like, energy's good, even if I'm like, I think I'm just nervous. This is a really big, this is different than anything I've ever done. Like, I've moved abroad, but this is the first time I'm coming in as like an expert and professional, and it's just like mind blowing.
So Sky Airlines is a budget airline. They fly all over Chile and some places in Latin America. I absolutely hated this seat. It was low price. I have flown them again, no problem. Just know what you're expecting. It's budget. I think there was a drink service. There was one layover in Puerto Montt. You don't leave the plane, and then you arrive in Punta Arenas. I recommend the airline only for budget reasons. The flight from LATAM is way more comfortable. Sometimes you get a 787 from Santiago to Punta Arenas, and the views are just stunning. And this is Punta Arenas. Look at that. I can't wait to share with you guys this journey.
Okay, we are in the Punta Arenas airport. Having a bad hair day, but I organized a taxi for noon. I think that's her right there. All my bags got here just fine. Really uncomfortable flight. I tried to sleep through most of it. Some beautiful views. I'm feeling really out of it, but I guess thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in some Punta Arenas vlogs.
Last, I just have to show you this sandwich, gluten-free bread. Yes, almost everywhere in Punta Arenas at the grocery stores has gluten-free bread as well as vegan cheese. I'm sure it's in Santiago. Those grocery shops just weren't in my neighborhood. Trust me, I tried. And I was really happy, and that's something I get every time I'm in Punta Arenas now, is I definitely get a lot of gluten-free bread. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. We have so many more things to share in Chile.